Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and here's 3 things we love about the Samsung Series 6 Plus Tumble Dryer. It stops as soon as your clothes are dry, it gives you an energy-saving performance, and you can control and manage it from your phone. So we're going to head over to the lab now to take a look at this product in a little bit more detail. This machine fits in really nicely and neatly with any surroundings because of its really sleek design. But it doesn't just look great too, it's also a really clever piece of kit, and it helps you save on running costs by avoiding using too much energy. So we've got a fresh load here straight out of the washing machine, and I'm gonna pop it into the dryer. Now it has sensors that measure the moisture and temperature of the load, and then that will adjust the correct drying time. So right now, as I turn it on, it will suggest a time. So as I click play, the sensors will kick in and we'll find out how long the drying time will actually take according to that load. Okay, so it's all finished. Let's take a look. So this in the end only took 55 minutes, which is pretty impressive really. So, oh, it's nice and warm as I take it out, and you can already tell that that is so dry already. If I just hold that up, that's just perfect. But you can also tell that it isn't too hot and it hasn't been over dried because the machine actually stops as soon as the clothes are dry, which means that the cycle isn't running for longer than it needs to be, so you're gonna save on energy and running costs, but also it then saves your clothes from the damage that over drying can cause. And it also runs at low temperatures so that it doesn't ruin the fibres in your clothes as well. I'd say it's pretty impressive for under an hour. It uses the most efficient technology to dry your clothes. So heat pump technology works by reheating the air inside the drum. So it's going to be using a lot less electricity than condensed or vented dryers. It also makes your drying smarter as well. So you connect it to your phone using Wi-Fi and you can go on the SmartThings app. Here you can track cycles, manage them. It will work out your favourite cycles based on habits, and it will even tell you when a cycle's finished as well. Everything about this machine makes drying easier and more efficient. Unlike traditional machines that can be really expensive to run, this is better for your bills and for the planet as well. If you'd like any more info on this Samsung Tumble Dryer, you can visit us here in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.